What's the meaning of archeologist? Archeologist. Archeologist.
Archeologist. Archeologist. An archaeologist is a scientist who studies the human past through material remains such as artifacts, architecture, and other physical evidence. Their work involves excavating and analyzing sites, interpreting findings, and reconstructing the history of past societies. By studying artifacts left behind by ancient civilizations, archaeologists can gain insight into a wide range of topics, including social organization, economic systems, religious beliefs, and technological advancements. Overall, the goal of archaeology is to deepen our understanding of humanity's cultural and evolutionary development over time.